Okay, guys, I'm going to give this a shot, even though it's Mardi Gras here in South Louisiana. Imagine you're the revenue manager for a hotel in New Orleans during Mardi Gras. You got 200 rooms. Do you drop rates early to make sure you fill those rooms? Do you raise rack rates aggressively? Do you eliminate all the discounts and monitor pace daily? The answer depends on forecasting. Now, the text defines demand as the number of potential buyers with the desire, willingness, and ability to purchase at a specific price. Accurate forecasts matter for scheduling staff, we know this, purchasing supplies, estimating profitability, and setting future prices. Forecasting drives operational decisions, not just pricing. Revenue managers rely on three types of data: historical, current, and future indicators. You'll see this all over all the material for this week. Historical data takes a look at past results. An example of this would be reservations per day, the cancellations, your no-shows, the ADR that has been achieved, the occupancy percentage, and the length of stay. Now, for example, in Mardi Gras, some hotels are holding a minimum length of stay of 3 nights. You'll also need to know rolling averages versus fixed averages and understand the difference there. Trailing period also equals dropping the oldest data and adding the newest. Understand that. Get your head wrapped around that one. Historical data is usually your foundation of all the data types. Now, your current data. This includes occupancy and availability reports, group rooms pace reporting, and non-rooms revenue pace reporting. Revenue managers monitor rooms available, rooms reserved, rooms blocked, and estimated ADR. Group pace reports show how quickly group rooms are being booked. A pickup rate is, for example, if 200 rooms reserved, 100 of them are occupied, that's a 50% pickup. That number matters. Your future data, the third component here that we're looking at, is future demand is influenced by demand generators like events, conferences, or in this case, Mardi Gras. Demand drains, economy. Do people have discretionary dollars to spend, or is the economy going so well that they can spend money on the hotels? Competitor opening and closing. Is there more inventory in the market? Weather, of course, seasonality, and competitor pricing. Forecasting requires environmental awareness. Now, the book warns about some misuses of forecasting: unrealistically low forecasts or unrealistically high forecasts. If it's too low, you risk underpricing. If it's too high, there's overconfidence and lost bookings. Both can destroy revenue. Now, there's some key insights here. Letting demand directly dictate price is very dangerous. In high demand, eliminate discounts rather than just raising rack rate. In low demand, lowering rates often drops ADR rapidly without enough incremental occupancy. Revenue management is about optimizing that ADR and occupancy, not panicking. So what do great revenue managers do? They understand their property's unique features. They know the local events. They track competitors. They monitor pace daily, and they adjust quickly when events shift demand. And most importantly, they keep guest perception in mind. So forecasting isn't about predicting the future perfectly. It's about making better decisions today. And in hospitality, better decisions equal better margins. So say it with me. These numbers aren't scary. It's just the language of decisions. See you in the quiz. Good luck, and if you need anything, let me know. And thanks for putting up with me trying to stumble through this during Mardi Gras.